Hello everyone, I'm Satish Reddy, working as ServiceNow developer at Palani Private Limited. In today's video, we will learn what update sources are in ServiceNow, how to configure them, how to use them to move update sets between instances quickly and efficiently. Now, what is an update source? An update source is a connection between two ServiceNow instances that allows you to retrieve update sets directly without manually exporting and importing XML files. Let me with a simple example. We have three environments like development, test, and production. You do all your work in development. So that you need to move those changes to test or production. With an update source, you just set it up at once and pull update sets directly. No more manual file transfers. Just a few clicks, you're done. Now, how to find a update source? Log into your target instance. This instance where you want to receive update sets. On left side, application navigator, type update source. Under system update source are there. Click on it. How to create a new update source? Click the new button. Form will open. Fill these fields. I'm giving this update source name as dev instance. Enter full URL. Enter the full URL for source instance. I'm giving my instance. Give username and password. Enter valid credentials. Make sure user has admin role. Otherwise, connection will fail. I'm giving short description as moving update sets. First, you check the text connection is okay or not. Connection is success. Afterwards, how to retrieve update sets. Go to system update set, click on right top, retrieve complete update sets. Pop-up will appear. ServiceNow will connect, show all available update sets. This may take a few seconds. Please be patient. Under later links, retrieve update sets. I am opening new update set. Before applying any update set, you always click preview update set. This checks for any conflicts. For each conflict, you will see three options like absent, remote, skip, manually resolve. Success. There is no conflicts. Once everything looks good, click on commit update sets. When update set is committed, your changes will apply to target instance successfully. Thank you.